Okay, we're shooting the Taurus Judge, and we're going to shoot one of these Lehigh defense loads, which are so incredible. They're the most effective close range defense round I think that there exists for a normal sized gun. This is a 45 Colt. Some people call it long Colt, but it's actually a 45 Colt. They throw in the long so it doesn't get mixed up with other 45 calibers. Now this is the Lehigh. You'll see how much longer the bullet is. This will not fit in a single action revolver. And this is sliced all the way down, and this thing opens up like you wouldn't believe and penetrates super. I've seen it in gelatin tests, but I'm going to shoot it through a pumpkin and in the water so I can capture one of these. And this is the Federal triple dot, or triple buck rather. I'm going to shoot this at 25 yards. Everybody thinks it's a close range round. I shot it in another video out to 15 to 20. I'm going to shoot at 25, see if it still hits the silhouette, which is not a full-size silhouette, but a decent representative. This is the Lehigh. This is the Critical Defense 45 Colt. This thing is wicked. Let's see what the triple dot buck does here at this range though. We got one watermelon and 3 jugs of water. We're going to shoot it with the Lehigh Safety Extreme Expansion. We're using the Taurus Judge. 1 round. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, now you can see how they open. Oops, there we go. That is the expanded Lehigh, and to the right there on the screen is the unexpanded Lehigh 45 Colt. That's going through the watermelon and into the water where we captured out of the water bottle. Now if you don't call that expansion, I don't know what is. That thing is wicked. That can save someone's life. No matter what the caliber of a pistol bullet, they don't really stop people most of the time in one shot. I know people say, why'd you shoot the guy more than one time? Well, because most of the time they don't stop. They can shoot you back. This bullet has probably the best chance of having a one-shot stop of any I've seen. But that doesn't guarantee anyway, because the bad guys sometimes are high on drugs, adrenaline, and it takes multiple shots. I know the news people don't like to say that, but that's just the reality of it. It's not like in the movies, one shot and 400 people just fall over dead. But this bullet is effective. I've never seen an expansion like this in my life, and it's dependable every time. Okay, I'm going to fire 1 Federal triple dot buck round out of my Taurus Judge, 25 yards. And that's not a full-size silhouette, but we'll see how many it keeps on there anyway. Everybody thinks it's such a close-range gun. If you look at my other video, I shot this at 100 yards with the regular Colt rounds day before yesterday. So let's see how this works. If it's still, any of these still hit the pellets in 25 yards. You can see right here, point to the shotgun pellets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 dead center in the chest, and a smaller bowling pin FBI style thing, and 1 to the edge of the paper. So 3 out of 4 dead center mass from 25 yards away. Give me a thumbs up in front of the target, please. That's not a close range gun like you've been hearing since they first came out and they've been using birdshot. Some people can't shoot that good with a single shot pistol from 25 yards offhand. 3 rounds, dead center, 1 to the edge of the paper. If that ain't deadly, and that's not a full quarter normal defensive circle range round, I don't know what is. Clarity. Here, point to the shotgun loads again. You can see they're big. Point to the other ones. Those are 22 holes from another time here. And those are marked. You see they're marked with gray marking? It's just those 4 holes he pointed to were what we just fired. Isn't that right?
Yep.
Final comments on the Taurus. Unload it and save. This gun is wicked. The price was right because I wanted the gun back. But shooting the regular Colt 45 shoots great, even at 100 yards, if you saw my first video. And up close, it shoots really good. It's not a target master. It's not a SIG 210, but it will put them anywhere you need to put them for combat protection. Then you throw the shotgun choices in. I had trouble with the PDX-1 Winchester getting it in open close the cylinder, high pressure. You can see the pressure marks on the primer as well, but the Federals work perfect. The gun's really sweet. I'm telling you, this is a beast. You shoot those triple-aught buck and any 25 yards on in, you're right there. The closer you get, the tighter they get. But even out to 25 yards, 3 hits to that center mass. You shoot their standard 45 Colts for good loads, like the critical defense I just shot, or even good hard case, flat nose, hard lead, good rounds. But you shoot the Lehigh Defense, that's a whole different beast. It opens up, does a wound cavity like you can't believe. I've seen gel tests with those. So I tried it on a watermelon because watermelon has a lot of some mass and hydrous and a lot of liquid. And I figured I'd open up a little bit, and it sure did. I wanted to get a capture one, as you saw. But this is for, I'm telling you, for a house gun or a car gun. And it's small enough, actually, I can carry it all day long, concealed. The cylinder's a little bit longer than just to carry a regular revolver like a 357. It's not as thick as you think, and it's a little bit more nimble than you think. Taurus, judge, the judge. Final decision in a combat match.